Mr. Squidward, what are you doing in the middle of the road, boy? Oh no, Mr. Squidward can't hear me. He's listening to Kanye West's new album, Dunda. Mr. Squidward, you're gonna die. No, Mr.
2 days later.
Here lies Mr. Squidweed. This is so sad.
Mr. Squidward.
I hope SpongeBob's not too sad.
Baby, I need you in my life. Please, babe, don't go switch inside.
I'm gonna find out who is driving that truck, and then I'm gonna make them pay.
You're looking at him right here, Krabs.
Patrick, you killed Mr. Squidward!
Oh yeah, that guy had it coming for him.
What are you talking about, Patrick?
Squidward ate my chocolate bar, and so he paid with his life.
You killed Mr. Squidward over some chocolate?
Oh yeah.
I'll rip your head off!